Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'll be swatching the 2021 Vice collection from Cirque colors. 3 of these shades are actually re-released old Vice colors, and the other 3 are new. I'll also be showing them under a black light since they are UV reactive, so let's get started. First up is Gossip. This is a fun, deep neon magenta pink. I got amazing coverage in 2 coats with all these shades actually, and the formula is really nice and smooth. All these neon polishes are also custom formulated to be worn without a white base coat, which is really cool. They do dry a bit matte. You can kind of see that as I'm applying the second coat, so I am going to go in with a glossy top coat to have that added shine. And as promised, here is what Gossip looks like under a black light. Next, we have Munchies, which is described as a neon cheddar yellow orange cream. I think that's a pretty accurate description actually. This is a really neat yellow shade, I guess yellow orange like they said. It's not streaky at all, which is really amazing for yellows since they usually are. I don't really have anything like this in my collection, so I'm super happy to have it. So now we have Electric Daisy. This is a neon highlighter yellow cream. This is one of the re-release shades, and it definitely reminds me of a highlighter and has that kind of little tinge of lime green. So here's Gossip, Munchies, and Electric Daisy all in one hand and under black light. Next up is Thirsty, which is a neon mint green cream. This is another re-released color. This one is so pretty. I think this one might be my favorite. It's super hard to choose, but if you have any favorites, be sure to let me know in the comments below. Here's One Night Stand. This is a deep neon indigo blue. This is the last re-release color that they have in this collection. And the last shade is Narcisse, which is a really pretty neon lavender purple cream. And here is Thirsty, One Night Stand, and Narcisse all on one hand, and of course under the black light. So that does it for the Cirque Colors 2021 Vice collection. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later.